Okay, guys.
We're awesome, Tana.
This is my first video ever after many retakes and failures.
Alright. So today's my birthday. Tomorrow's her birthday, December 2nd, and I'm December 1st. We went to Skateland and we watched movies and we were free. They're pretty awesome. They're glow-in-the-dark binkies.
Don't glow in the dark, just light up.
Well, light up binkies. Okay, guys. So we don't know what your favorites are, but we are going to go to YouTube, obviously, and we're gonna just find a phone. Okay, so we don't know what you guys like right now, but we're just gonna pick some random stuff. Okay, so by the time this video is 2 minutes long, we're gonna have what?
I'm gonna feel really bad.
Yeah, I hope there wasn't any of those like stupid, you know, things, you know, those advertisements before it, because that just makes every video less entertaining. Alright, I hope there's no advertisements for this video.
Probably will. I'm gonna do Taylor's thing. Dude, it was really long, man. Dang, you look like a freaking thing.
Yeah, I'm a little bored right now.
Just stop the video now.
I can't stop the video. Alright, well guys, we don't have time for musical. There's a stupid ad. Well, enjoy your time. And we'll see you later.
Alligator, that's the wild